In today's world, proper maintenance is crucial for the efficient and effective operation of your building's equipment, such as chillers, fans, pumps, and control systems in critical facilities like data centers, manufacturing sites, and healthcare facilities. Failure of these integral equipments can lead to costly repairs and disruptions, causing significant financial loss. JCI offers a new innovative solution with outcome-based premium PSA service. We understand the needs of the mission-critical facilities and aim to develop a sustainable maintenance strategy that extends the asset life, reduced costs, and the key outcomes required from the equipment. Unlike traditional maintenance contracts, we go beyond parts repair and replacement. We fully consider your operational needs and provide exceptional service and coverage, minimizing downtime and maximizing uptime. Powered by our state-of-the-art OpenBlue Digital transformation platform equipped with artificial intelligence to optimize asset performance, enhance occupant experiences, and meet sustainability goals. By choosing our services, you will get premium coverage, OpenBlue-powered services, comprehensive coverage, and outcome guarantees for uptime, health, performance, and energy efficiency. We make budgeting easier, and you will be getting exclusive access to parts. But what sets us apart from most service providers or OEMs is the inclusion of outcome guarantees. We stand behind our promises, ensuring your specific equipment or the entire plant room. Online research shows that 85% of customers are interested in transitioning to an outcome as a service maintenance model. In demands to increasing customer needs and operational complexity, building service providers must embrace outcome-based solutions. Traditional parts-focused models are no longer future-sufficient. So don't wait any longer. Contact Johnson Controls and put your maintenance worries to rest. Trust us to deliver the best for your building.